Hello class 12th. Today's topic is origin and evolution of human beings. Are we like gorillas or orangutans? A big question. Human beings originated or our ancestors are similar? On the basis of evolutionary terms of man, there are several stages were found which were similar to each other and are better evolved. By the different type of the studies, whether it is anthropology or molecular biology, even paleontology, which will tell us better evolved form of the human beings. Although chimpanzee, gorilla, orangutan, human beings, they were all kept in hominidae family. Evolution of human beings is always being a big question and kept evolving day after day. Few fossils of men-like bones have been discovered. About 15 million years ago, primates called Dryopithecus and Dramapithecus were found in Ethiopia and Tanzania. These revealed hominid features, leading to believe that about 3 to 4 men-like primates walked in eastern Africa. The primates Dryopithecus and Ramapithecus were similar to those of gorillas and chimpanzees, having hairy and walking capacity. The fossils make them more prevalent in the African region. They were probably not taller than 4 feet, but were capable of walking upright. The fossils record of Dryopithecus and modern apes looks similar but having considerable amount of differences also. 12 million to 14 million years ago, the another form, Ramapithecus, was present. 2 Australopithecus probably lived in East African grasslands. Evidence shows they hunted with stone weapons but essentially ate fruit. The fragments of jaw found shows that they were more close to the herbivores. Evidences are also present to show that they were having some characteristics of socialization because most of the bones or the fossils were found close to each other in a limited area, showing their presence as a group. Some of the bones among the bones discovered were different. This creature was called the first human being like the hominid and was called Homo habilis. The brain capacities were between 615 to 800 cc. These Homo habilis probably did not eat meat. Fossils discovered in Java in 1891 revealed the next stage, that is Homo erectus, about 1.5 million years ago. The characteristic features in the fossils which reveals their eating habit and the characteristic of their brain was in the fossils records. Homo erectus had a large brain around 900 cc. Homo erectus probably ate meat. The basic difference between the Homo habilis and Homo erectus is about the eating habit. Discovery of fire make them to get food cooked so that their jaws can easily chew them was the characteristic feature in that era. Due to the presence of this characteristic features, more socialization was seen in the fossils record. The Neanderthal men with a brain capacity of 1400 cc lived in Near East and Central Asia between 1 lakh to 40,000 years back. They used hides to protect their body and buried their dead ones, showing more human-like characters. Now they are having the clothes, although made up of skin of animals, and the rituals also have started in the form of burying their dead ones. Homo sapiens arose in Africa and moved across continents and developed into distinct races. The development of human beings, starting from the making tools by the sharp-edged stones to development of the fire and socialization, finally covering itself to protect itself from changing environment, Homo sapiens arose in Africa and moved across continents and developed into distinct races. During Ice Age, between 75,000 to 10,000 years ago, modern Homo sapiens arose. Prehistoric cave art developed about 18,000 years ago. Agriculture came around 10,000 years back and human settlements started. This development of Homo sapiens sapiens, the new category, was more like today's men with the natural environment. Agriculture, development of different type of organism for their benefit, taming the animals for their work forms the development or evolution of human beings. The rest of what happened is part of human history of growth and decline of civilization. Now, after that, prepare the notes and compare the skulls of adult modern human being with that of the baby chimpanzee and adult chimpanzee. The skull of baby chimpanzee you will find is more like adult human skull than adult chimpanzee skull. Thank you and study, study, study.